Welcome to Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, where early harvest fruit trees thrive in the desert. Meet the Katy Apricot, a reliable early season favorite for warm climates. This moderate fruit tree grows 12 to 18 feet tall and does best in full sun or part shade with well-draining soil. By early May through June, a full 3 to 4 weeks before Blenheim, you'll be picking large golden apricots with a pink blush. They're freestone, very flavorful, and nicely sweet without the strong tartness. Katy apricots are incredibly versatile, perfect for fresh eating, drying, baking, freezing, or making jams and jellies. It needs only 200 to 300 chill hours, is self-fruiting, and grows well in zones 7 through 10. Fun fact, early apricot varieties like Katy are prized in warm climates because they ripen before extreme summer heat can damage the fruit. Visit Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something sweet a little earlier this year.